Hey guys, Justin here from Luxus Grates. Let me introduce you to the new Midnight NXT range. Designed in Australia, made to withstand the harsh Australian conditions, UV stabilised with a 25-year warranty against fading. First we have the NXT 14. At just 14mm deep is the thinnest profile in our range and great for renovations as it's the same thickness as tile and glue. This one can be purchased in lengths of up to 3 metres. Then we have the NXT 26, the most versatile grade in our range. It still has a low profile of 26mm, but with a fantastic water catchment. This one comes in lengths of up to 5.6 metres. Finally, our MNXT 35 is the deepest of the range and has the highest water flow capacity of the three. It's been engineered to be installed in driveways or areas that need great water flow capacity like the MNXT 26. The MNXT 35 comes in lengths of up to 5.6 metres. All of our next generation grates don't allow water to track over them and they have an easy rollout feature, making it easy for the top grate to be removed for cleaning and maintenance. They are all easily customisable, can be purchased with all Luxus accessories. For more information, visit luxusgrates.com.au. Thanks guys.